Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me.
Well, I am going to show you a tutorial on how to make your own app icons using Images, Photoshop, Shortcut, and you are going to need a touchscreen tool to do this, just because it is easier and faster to trace than with your finger. What you will need to start is to have your background images that you want for the outside of the icon and inside the icon, as well as a symbol or an object of your choice for the center of your icon. To start with, you are going to open Photoshop and you will see a menu bar, and you need to let them have access to your photos to do this. You will tap on the combine icon because you are going to be combining photos. On the side of my screen, you will see a plus icon, and that is for adding your images. We are going to start off with your icon, so make sure to have your icon layer selected before selecting cutout on the bottom of your screen. At first, it will tell you to select the cutout that's already made for you, so select one, and if it's already cut out for you, then you won't need to trace over the lines of the icon using the add brush and the remove brush tools. But in case you don't have the cutout perfectly, just watch what I am doing here. I am tracing over the lines of what makes the icon and removing the inside of the white color of my Snapchat icon. It might take you a while, but it usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes to edit. I added some tips on my screen to show you guys how to zoom in and zoom out by using your two fingers, but be careful because it might leave some marks on your screen, so make sure to use the back button to undo the recent marks. And you will be doing the exact same thing for your symbol or object as well. And again, make sure to select on the side, there is a layer of your images. Select the correct image and it will appear in a blue box around it to highlight what picture you are editing on. If you want to move your images on the layer side in a certain order, you have to tap and hold onto the image box and drag up or down on where you want your image to be ordered. This is important when making your icon because you don't want your background image to overlap your icon, because then you can't see your icon. After you are done with your cutting of your icon and symbol, you are going to work on your background image or color that you chose. So you will need to cut out as well, and remember to select the cutout made for you. It will show as nothing, so you will need to align your color image so that it extends and covers all of the icon. And you are going to add using the brush and basically color or fill inside the icon. Don't worry about making it perfectly cut out to the icon because it will be under the icon so that lines will cover it. After you are done, we will move to the final step, and that is exporting the image to your photo library using the box with the arrow going up icon on the top right of your screen. Then we will move on to using Shortcut so that your image icon is displayed in your phone. The first step is to open Shortcut. I also wrote down the steps for you on the video just in case you get lost. You are going to tap the add sign again, tap on add action, tap on scripting, Tap on the app. In the search bar, type in the name of the app that you want to design. Click on the eye again. Add to home screen. Tap on the icon to edit. Click the chosen photo that you want to shoot. You have the option to rewrite the name or not. Just press X, click add, and click done. I hope this tutorial was helpful for all of you guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment.